So when we talk about, the insurance should cover it, and we talk about the different policies, again, just to help you conceptualize, what policy you may want to look to or should look to, or at least where Mike and I would look to as it pertains to coverage for some of these sort of risk and the exposure and potential losses. Of course, cyber liability, again, that's probably top of mind and probably what most of you are thinking when you're thinking of the type of insurance that would cover these sort of risks, cyber liability, because, those policies provide coverage for cyber breaches and cyber incidents. So certainly looking to cyber liability. Also, E&O, errors and omissions policy, whether that's pertaining to any sort of, systematic failures or any sort of quote unquote errors or omissions that the organization who implemented the AI or who used the AI may be liable for. Again, we talked about the directors and officers for the management liability that may be associated with AI and various company processes, or even, again, the introduction of those products, AI products, into the market, but also looking to CGL policies, injury to others from AI products and services, property policies as it relates to property damage that may be caused by physical damage that may be caused by AI, intellectual property IP policies for these allegations of copyright infringement or trademark infringement. Again, product liability, I think we touched on a bit and during this presentation, but employment practices liability, in terms of any sort of allegations related to discriminatory behavior, especially if you're using AI in the hiring and or firing, promotions of employees, and there may be allegations that maybe that AI tool was discriminatory in practice, then we would look to an EPL. And then for media liability, and this is one of the cases, this reminds me of one of the cases that we're going to talk about, allegations of, defamation or libel related to this, generative AI, results, chat GPT stating, that certain individuals may have certain, things on their record, or they may have certain accolades that maybe they do or don't have, or even negative information. We're seeing those lawsuits for defamation where Chat GPT is generating false or allegedly false information. So these are some of the policies that we would look to.